Hello everyone, this is Vivek again. First of all, thank you all for watching my previous video. So in my today's video, I am going to let you know how you can execute your JMeter scripts via command line. Either you are using Mac or Windows. And similarly, you can also generate report which you can share with your clients, your top managements, etc. etc. So there are a few steps which we have to follow for that. So I have written here. Okay, let's follow this one by one. So first you need to open your command line tool. Like if you are using Mac, then you have to open a terminal command, and if you are using Windows, then you have to open a MS-DOS. Okay, so before executing the command, there are prerequisites which you need to do first. First, you need to create one folder in any directory. For example, like I have created with this name, JMeter report. So you can create with any of the name in any of the directory. So within this folder, create two more folders with names CSV and HTML. Okay. Like I have created this CSV and HTML inside this JMeter report folder. Now what you have to do, the fourth step, just go to your installed Apache JMeter folder and navigate to the bin directory. So let me tell you how we can do this. So first, let me take a fresh one. Okay, okay. So let me show you how I did that. So I have created my JMeter, where is JMeter report? Okay, alright, so JMeter report folder should be here. Okay, okay, let me search from here. Okay, so this is a folder. So this is a folder JMeter report, and I have already created this. Manually you can create, and inside this JMeter just create two more folders. One is CSV, one is HTML, which I have already created, as you can see. Okay, so my JMeter report folder is placed inside this directory Vivek Singh. So what, so that means I am already done with first three things. Okay, I have created a JMeter report folder, and inside that I have created a CSV and HTML folders. Now I have to go to the installed Apache JMeter folder. Okay, so let's go to that. Like I know my Apache JMeter folder is here. Okay, now go to your bin directory. So I am at the bin directory. Let me show you manually as well. So my Apache folder is there, if you see, and there is one bin folder, bin. So this directory you have to navigate inside your command line tool. So I am at the bin directory. So now what you all have to do, just copy paste this command. This is a important command which needs to use to run all your JMeter scripts via command line. And similarly, this command will also generate a CSV and HTML report in your local system inside the two folders which you have created here, and same reports you can share with your clients, your management as well, regarding the results of the performance. Okay, so let me copy paste. Okay, maybe let me brief you about this command as well. So So this is just to start a JMeter. So this first line, what you have to do here, minus n minus t, here you have to give the path of your JMX, where your JMX is saved. So I have given users Vivek Singh desktop db.jmx. If I show you here, this is my desktop and I have saved a JMX file here. So that's why I have given a path of this. Okay, so you also can give your path of your JMX where you have stored. Okay, next minus L to here. So here you have to give a path of your folder which you have given, like CSV folder. So I have created JMeter, and inside that JMeter there is CSV folder. So I have given this. Okay, inside JMeter there is CSV folder, and inside CSV folder I am manually creating report one folder. So this report one folder will automatically generate when you execute this command. Similarly, this is the command to generate a HTML report. So again you have to give a HTML path which you have created here. Okay, so my HTML folder is again resides in JMeter report. So again this report 1 will automatically gets created, and inside this report there will be a HTML data regarding your execution. Okay, so maybe I think I've already executed with this, so maybe let me rename it. So you can give any name. This folder you can give any name, like I am giving reports to. You can give anyone, whichever you want to do. Okay, so now let's execute this. So I am copying this. Okay, so I am at the bin folder. Make sure you should be inside a installed Apache bin folder. Okay, so now I'm executing this. So you can see, so let me tell you, I have only one request inside this test plan. Okay, so you can see this is executed. One is a request, 0.2 second. So the average response time is this, error percentage is this. Okay, now let's go to the reports, how reports have been created. Now let's go to the folder, like JMeter folder, JMeter reports folder which I have created. Okay, so this is a JMeter reports folder. So I have to go to CSV. I have created these two folders earlier, so I have to go to CSV, and there must be report 2. You can see this report 2 is automatically generated. If I use this, say inside CSV report 2, so this report 2 is automatically generated. If you open this, it will show you all the summary of your execution, like so you can see, like this is the response time, this is the status, like 2000, your request is successful. Okay, so this is all the CSV data, but I think the important data which you can share with client is here. Just go to HTML. Here also report 2 folder should be created. See, this report 2 folder is created according to this command only, this report 2, and this report 2 automatically created inside HTML folder. So if you open this report 2, so you can see all this content is all automatically created for you. So if you open this index.html, it will open in your browser. Okay, so this is the dashboard, these are the charts, these are the custom graphs. So every information regarding graphs, charts, tables, everything is resides here. This table, this HTML file you can share with your client or your managers. So let me go through this. So as you can see, the request summary chart 100% okay, because there was only one request only. Okay, so you can see this is the request name is show table. I have only one request in my JMX file, and the error percentage is 0, the average response time is 0, this is the minimum response time, this is the maximum, this is the transaction, this is basically the throughput time, the speed of your server. Okay, error 0. Similarly, you can go to charts like overtime chart. This is the charts, response time, active threads, bytes. Okay, so these are all charts which have been automatically created via command line. Alright, these are the custom graphs as well. See, this is the test report and information executed at this point of date and this point of time. So this whole report you can share with your client. This will be really helpful for your team and for your client as well. So yeah, I think these are the only things which you have to follow one by one, and then you can execute your any JMeter script via command line either in Windows or Mac. Similarly, you can generate reports, as I already told you how you can generate your HTML report, and similarly the HTML report you can share with your required concern team. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, then please like it, subscribe and comment whatever the queries you have. Please put inside the comment section. I'll try to respond asap. Thank you guys, bye.